Hey kids, there you all are. And you know what? I've got a great news to tell you today. I got a job. And it is about what I do best. It's a job for a circus. Do you like circus? No, I'm not performing there. I have been asked to deliver animals for them. So I'm going to the jungle and collect their employed animals. Boy, they told me those are wild beasts, so I'm a little scared. I love animals, but fear the wild ones. Will you guys accompany me to offer me some support? Here is the list of animals that I have to bring to the circus. It'll be fun. Let's go. Here is our first stop. We are looking for a bird. Oh, there it is. Hey cockatoo. I have come to collect you for circus. Are you ready? On our second stop, we need to collect an elephant. Ooh, elephants are so heavy. Will I be able to carry one on me? Look, there are so many big elephants. Do you know they are the largest animals on land? Oh, so if I need to carry these, I must charge them well. Okay, 30% extra for extra load. Hey Mr. Elephant, you are the one I need to carry to the circus. Please be careful. My parts are a bit expensive, you know. Be easy on me. Okay, it wasn't as bad as I thought. And the next one on the list is a hippo. Oh no, a hippo? That's the second largest animal on earth. Now that would be another 25% extra. I was not hoping to bring such heavy animals. But you gotta do what you gotta do. Bring on a hippo. Hey Mr. Hippopotamus. You appear to be having so much fun in the river. But it's time to go. The circus show needs you. Oh, please wipe off and hop on. Time to go. Kids, next we need to collect a tall animal. It's a giraffe. You know they have a long neck to eat even from the highest trees. There, I can see a tall giraffe from this far. It's beautiful. Hey Miss Giraffe, your ride is here to collect you for the circus. We hope you are ready to go. A lion, the king of the jungle. I admire lions so much. I hear their roars are so powerful that it can be heard kilometers away. I hope our lion is a bit more quiet. Please don't eat me. I'm just a courier guy for circus. I just came to pick you up. Please be kind and get in so we can leave. Lions are angry animals. I'm not going to take any wild orders next time. Next is a polar bear. I love bears. They are so fluffy and so sweet. I used to have one when I was a kid and I cuddled him on my bed. I hope our polar bear is nice too. Mr. Bear! Mr. Bear! Come, it's time to go to circus. The show is about to begin. The polar bears are so white. Wish I could touch them. But I'm a professional delivery train. Focus, Happy. Focus. The next animal is a sea lion. A sea lion? A lion in the sea? Can lions swim? That's kind of weird. Let's find out. Now this is a cold sea. I see some creatures there. Are they sea lions? What do they and a lion have in common? Hey Mr. Lion in the sea, it's time to go. There comes our sea lion. Next and the last animal in our list is a tiger. I know tigers, they are beautiful, but they are very few. I heard it's only a few thousand left in the world. I better be careful with this parcel. Hey Mr. Tiger, can I please take you to our circus? The crowd is eagerly waiting to see you. Please be careful, don't get hurt. There, good tiger. Now that we have all the animals in the list, we can go to the circus and deliver their order and get paid. Yay! Off we go, friends! Friends, I spoke to the circus guys. They were very happy with their delivery, and you know what? They gave me a complimentary ticket for you. You are welcome to see the show. Go on, it's about to begin. I will too, and let's meet after the show. Hey friends, so did you like the circus show? I hope you did. And next time I will have another adventure for you. Goodbye.